Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Can you guys get what today's video is going to be on? I'll give you a hint. That I'm going to be showing you guys how to install that today. This is what I'm going to be using to light up the row. These are LED side lights and also sequential turn signal lights for the side of the van, which is going to be better because now people can see when I'm trying to turn. So yeah, let's get to it. This is where I'm planning on installing it from here. Run it all the way down along the side of the vehicle. That way I can see the side at nighttime when I'm backing up. The alcohol wipes, you need to wipe down the rails there so that way the 3M adhesive can stick to it. Always prep the surface with alcohol. So we're doing the exact same thing as on the other side, using the Windex to clean it off, and then the alcohol. Like I said, go slowly, don't peel off the whole entire tape. Let's do it section by section. Alright, it's all installed. Tape is holding on to it. So now all we have to do is put the brackets on and then we'll be good to go. So you guys can see this thing is tiny. It is a little bit hard to bracket came off the screw. Cool. Second bracket down. Go, last one. you have it. It's done. Alright, one side's done. So for the wiring, I'm going to go ahead and tuck it along this body molding here, this plastic body molding, and run it all the way straight up to the engine bay. Alright, so this is where the wire comes out from. You got 3 wires total, your ground, your parking lights, and also your signal lights. So I've got the white parking lights running all the way from here through here. And then it goes inside all the way into there, which is the firewall. And there's a little radio antenna, yellow-orange wire that goes into the firewall, and that's where I ran the wires inside to the vehicle. It has 3 wires coming out from the fender, and it's connected the same way with the resistor and also a relay. That's the resistor, and there's the relay. That's the relay, that's the resistor. So basically, you have this connection right here is the connector for the parking lamps, the turn signal, and the ground. Parking lamp, turn signal, and ground. So you have 3 wires that goes out, and what I did was I tapped into it and then connected into the relay, and that's how the power is, that's where you're getting the power from your turn signal and also your parking lamps. And the separate wire is running from over there. That's the one from within the cab, and it's connected to the house battery, which kind of powers the white LED lights when you want to turn it on with a switch from the inside. So that's when you're parking, you can power it from the house battery and not empty out your car's battery. Alright, so I did all the wirings behind the scene, so that way I don't bore you guys with how I did it. It took a while for me to figure out all the wirings and connecting a bunch of wires together, but I'll leave a picture below in the descriptions of how I wire the relays and all of that stuff, so that way you guys know how to do it on your own. So yeah, go ahead and check it out in the description below. Now we're just gonna continue on to the interior wiring. Okay, so here's the glove box. You need to open it. There are two taps right here and right here that you need to press in. So from the outside coming in, that's where that yellow antenna wire is coming in from outside. And then it is basically ran all the way over into the stereo system. So I already have house power going into the stereo system from the battery charger, which is underneath the seat. Working on the wiring since I've done mounting it, same thing as yesterday. Okay, so I actually have this electric tow hook. Makes it a lot easier for installation. There's the wire that came with the kit. Cutting the wires and connecting it directly into the wiring, which is a lot better. I did go ahead and use a meter to actually check all the electrical wirings, so I know which wire is which. Safer that way. So the yellow is gonna be running lights, brown, right hand, left hand turn, also your brake light, and your ground, also your reverse light, which is the small gray with the brown stripe. Alright, so I hope that helps some of you guys as far as installation, but that's it for the installation and mounting parts of the lights. It should be pretty simple and straightforward. As you can see, I'm just gonna wait until it's a little bit darker outside, so that way my camera will pick up the lights a lot better. But yeah, I'll show you guys the features and how it works and all of that. So see you then. subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like the video and don't forget to share. Thank you very much. Have a good night.